Whoa, what up? What's zapping? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you got that box with all of the posters, commercials, whatever that he's been using lately on certain shoes. So let's get into it, man. We have the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IE in the Vote colorway. Now, opening the box, you have the all black guts in the box, but these shoes come double wrapped. You got some black paper on the outside. On the inside of that, you got the white paper. But enough of that, man, because we're not going to wear the paper or the box. So let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 11 Low IE Vote Ghost Green, the highlighter pack, whatever it is they calling it, man. I don't know. They got so many names for this stuff, man. Here's a look at it from the front, medial side, back. I mean, it is what it is, man. There's not really too much to say about the shoe, but you can go ahead on and voice your opinion or whatever in the comments, man. Let me know how you feel about these, man. They too loud or what? I think these released this weekend too, if I'm not mistaken. Now, earlier I reviewed the Rio Teal color, I think it was. I think that's what they called it. And this is pretty much the same thing, just the color different. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I mean, I'm not a fan of this color, you know, because that's a little bit too loud for me. But to each his own, man. Go ahead and cop them if you want, man. Here's a look from the top. You got your green rope laces. On the inside, you got your Vote insole with like a gray Jumpman. As you can see, you got your elephant print, cement print, whichever one it is, all around the shoe. The other shoe is exactly the same. There's no difference between the two. So we're not even gonna get too far in the details on it, man. That's the medial side. Like I said, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. You know, I never was a fan of the 11 Low IEs or 11 Lows. So, I mean, but those teal green ones, man, I like those, man. Rio Teal or whatever it was, man. You know, so looking at the tongue, you got your Jumpman in the same Vote colorway, so you can't really see it too good. You got your mesh running all along the tongue. You got your mesh running all around the shoe for breathability, I guess. I just think it's for design purposes, but hey, whatever you think, man. Now, looking at both shoes from the front, side, back, it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about the kicks, man. This is the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IE in Vote Cement Gray. I don't know how these are gonna do, so, you know, I wouldn't judge it on how they're gonna sell or whatever anyway, man. I judge it off of what I like. See, I cop what I like. You know, I don't know about y'all, but it is what it is, man. So let me know what y'all think about the kicks, man. You feeling them or not? You know, so y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Share this video. Let people know what's happening. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. And I'ma holler back.